Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to Gramza Market Studies for Tuesday, April 28th. Well, the Russell is the most positive out of all the indices. It really implies follow through. Technically, it's in an uptrend. We're seeing some positive reaction to fundamental news that are out there. I do look for follow through to the upside. Big challenges ahead though for that market. And if we look at the Swissy, it traded above its bullish level. Traded above. That means the magnitude change here is $675 a contract. Again, just as a reference. And then it failed. If you and I were on the buy side, it only moved up a bit before it came back off. And I look for an inside to slightly lower move in that market. In the interest rate markets, I like the way the Treasury bonds are behaving. Really important to see continued downward movement in those prices for the 30-year Treasury bonds. And in metals, copper makes new highs, but it's not a sign of confidence. I'm very leery of the market at these levels. A lot of supply, and I just don't think there's enough demand. And speaking of that, we have the same situation over here in natural gas. We have a market that made new lows, and then it takes off to the races. Well, I just don't see a lot of distance in this market. Unchanged, only slightly higher makes sense. But I'm leery of the market at these levels. And I'm leery of the wheat market. It's approaching levels that we could start seeing some buyers coming into the market. But at this level, I just don't think there's any evidence that buyers are here other than I'm looking for an inside type day. And that concludes today's market studies. Thank you for being with me. Looking forward to being with you again tomorrow. In the meantime, take care.